Hi, the problem number 10. Compute the tensions in the strings AB, BC and CD as shown in the figure. This is the given figure. We need to find out tensions in AB, BC and CD. Here the angle is unknown. So, we need to calculate TAB, then TBC, then TCD. So, what we need to do now? First, we will write the free-body diagram. Where we need to write the free-body diagram? Where the multiple forces are more number of forces are acting. Suppose if I select the B point, here you are going to get only BA, BC. What about CD? So, we need to write another free-body diagram at C point. So, let us write two free-body diagram at B and C. How to write the free-body diagram? That is within 5 simple steps. First, write the point at point B, that is at point B. Then write the connected lines. Okay, then direction. These members are subjected to tension, though, so outside arrow. Then weight will always act vertically downwards. Then magnitude, this is 1000. This one will be TBC and this one is TBA. Point, line, direction and magnitude is over. Then what we need is angle. So, write the plus mark at the point, then write down the angle. This BA line is making theta with respect to horizontal. So, write theta. Then this BC line is making 30 with respect to horizontal, that is BC, with respect to horizontal it is 30. Then with respect to vertical it will become 60. Then if it is theta, then further thing it will become 90 minus theta. This is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. And this will be the free-body diagram at B point. Then let us write the free-body diagram at C point. For that, select the C point, then draw the connected lines. Okay, I wrote 3 lines. Then direction, this is acting downwards. Since these two members are subjected to tension, so write outside arrow. Then magnitude, this will be TCD, CD, then this is CB, TCB, then this is 800. Point, line, direction, magnitude is over. Then what we need? Angles. So, draw the plus mark at the point, then CD line is making 60 with respect to horizontal. So, write 60, then with respect to vertical it is 30. Then CB line is making 30 with respect to horizontal. Therefore, with respect to vertical it will become 60 and this is 90. So, this is the free-body diagram at C point. So, once you get the free-body diagram, now we need to choose the free-body diagram. For choosing the free-body diagram, count the number of unknowns. Here we have TBA, then TBC. Along with that, we have theta. Theta is also unknown. No extra conditions like minimum force or maximum force is given in the problem. So, here we have TBA, TBC and theta, 3 number of unknowns. In this free-body diagram, we have TCB, TCD. So, 2 number of unknowns. Select the free-body diagram which has less number of unknowns. Now, choose the method. How to choose the method? Now, we need to count the number of forces. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 number of forces, unknowns are 1, 2, 3 forces and 2 unknowns. So, we can make use of Lami's theorem. By using Lami's theorem, we can write the equation as force divided by sine of the angle between other two forces. So, force TCB divided by sine of the angle between other two forces, angle between them is 90 plus 60, 150, that is equal to next force TCD divided by sine of the other two forces are TCB and 800, angle between them is 90 plus 30, 120, then that is equal to last force 800 divided by sine of the other two forces are TCB and TCD, angle between them is 60 plus 30, 90. We have 3 parts. Now choose any 2 parts in such a way that there should be only one unknown. So, select the first part and the last part. So, unknown is TCB. TCB is given by the last part, that is 800 divided by sine of 90 multiplied by sine 150. So, TCB you are going to get it as 400 Newton. Then select second part and the last part. Therefore, you are going to get TCD as 800 divided by sine 90 multiplied by sine of 120. That will be equal to, you are going to get it as 692.82 Newton. So, we calculated this free body diagram. Then we will move on to the next free body diagram. So, here TBC will be equal to TCB, or in simple words BC will be equal to CB. So, TCB we got it as 400 Newton. So, let us write TBC also equal to 400 Newton. So, we have the free body diagram. Now, we need to choose the method. How to choose the method? Count the number of forces. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then count the number of unknowns. We have TBA one unknown and theta another unknown. You can think that we can make use of Lami's theorem. Yes, we can make use of Lami's theorem, but it will get complicated as the angle is unknown and no extra condition is given. So, in order to make it simplify, we will make use of equilibrium conditions whenever the angle is unknown and extra condition is not provided. So, let us make use of equilibrium equations. By using equilibrium equations, or conditions, since it is a concurrent force system, we have 2 conditions of equilibrium, that is sigma Fx is equal to 0 and sigma Fy is equal to 0. So, let us take the condition first. Sigma Fx equal to 0, only the horizontal force and horizontal component. Before going to this thing, we need horizontal angle theta and splitting up the inclined forces. For this force, that is the horizontal angle, for this force theta is the horizontal angle, and we need to split it. How to do that one? Behind the arohead, draw nearby horizontal line, nearby vertical line, nearby horizontal, nearby vertical. So, calculate Fx is equal to 0, horizontal and horizontal component. I will start from this force. It is vertical, leave it, vertical component, leave it, horizontal component moving rightward, positive, then component is F cos theta, that is 400 into cos of horizontal angle 30 degree. Then here vertical component leave it, horizontal component it is moving leftward, component is f cos theta, that is TBA into cos of theta, that should be equal to 0. So, we will get TBA cos theta equal to keep the unknowns one side and the known term other side. You are going to get it as 346.41. Take it as equation 1. Take it as equation 1. Then next apply the second condition, sigma Fy is equal to 0. I will start from this force, that is minus 1000, then horizontal component leave it, vertical component that is acting downward minus, then f sin theta 400 into sine of horizontal angle 30 degree. Then here horizontal component leave it, vertical component it is moving upward, then into sine of horizontal angle, that is theta, TBA into sine theta, that should be equal to 0. So, here the unknown is TBA into sine theta, write it one side and all other known term on another side. You are going to get it as 1200. So, take it as equation 2. Then by using equation 2 divided by 1, we are going to get it as TBA sin theta divided by TBA cos theta, that should be equal to 1200 by 346.41. Okay. Here TBA get cancelled, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, that is equal to 1200 divided by 346.41. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of this value. You are going to get theta as 73.90 degree. So, once you get the theta value, you can substitute this theta value either in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get the answer. So, let us substitute this theta 1 in the equation 1. We are going to get TBA equal to 346.41 divided by cos theta, that is cos of theta is 73.9 degree. You are going to get TBA as 1249.158 Newton after calculation. So, we calculated tension in all the strings as said in the figure. We calculated TCB, TCD and TBA. That is all for this problem. Thank you.